minority department's corrupt people are looting the rights of poor Muslims. Zahid Khan Wasi Baba. Ayodhya. In the religious city of Ayodhya's Mohalla Delhi Darwaja, with the connivance of the minority department, the illegal Madrasa Al-Sunnat Mirajul Uloom Delhi Darwaja is running without any land ownership. The said illegal madrasa does not have any private land or building and also does not have standards and there are no students in it, but the minority department is silent despite being well aware of the whole matter. And every month, the salaries of all the teachers are being paid while taking personal benefits. Sufi Khanka Association Uttar Pradesh Unit State Vice President and Social Worker Mr. Zahid Khan Wasi Baba, who has raised his voice many times in this regard, said that on Nazul Gata number 465 of Ayodhya district, Mosque, Imambara, Grave etc. are registered, all the said religious places are being completely erased by some anarchist and dishonest people of the Muslim community with the help of corrupt officials of the minority department and illegal madrasa is being run on it only on paper. And the madrasa manager and illegally appointed fake teacher Samasul Kamar etc. have cheated all the departments by fraudulently showing the name of the madrasa in the said Nazul records. Social worker Shri Vasi had requested for an investigation on 22 points by complaining to the higher authorities regarding the illegal Madrasa Al-Sunnat Mirajul Uloom Delhi Darwaja running in Mohalla Delhi Darwaja of district Ayodhya. The said illegal madrasa was investigated by former Registrar Priyanka Avasthi and current Deputy Director Basti Mandal Basti on the 7th of October 2024 in district Ayodhya, regarding which Shri Vasi had also informed them about 7 points in addition to 22 points through his letter. Shri Vasi said that the said madrasa management etc. have cheated the Nazul department including Registrar Inspector Uttar Pradesh Madrasa Education Council Lucknow, Deputy Director Ayodhya Mandal Ayodhya, District Minority Welfare Officer Ayodhya by tampering with the Nazul records and showing the name of the madrasa in it in a fake manner, which has become clear at present. Shri Vasi says that despite being well aware of all the cases, the entire department is engaged in saving the said illegal madrasa. Mr. Vasi also said that all the officials of the minority department who have been sending reports of fulfillment of standards to the higher officials till date are completely guilty in the fraud of the said illegal madrasa. It is very important to investigate them and take action against them. Mr. Vasi said that it is sad and worrying that despite giving information to all the departments about the loot being done by the mafia with the help of some corrupt officials of the minority department, no action has been taken. He has requested the government to take strict steps in this matter. Sufi News
मैं
English.
जनपद अयोध्या से जाहिद खान वारसी। जनपद अयोध्या के मोहल्ला दिल्ली दरवाजा में नजूल गाटा संख्या 465 पर दर्ज मस्जिद इमाम बाड़ा मज़ार को मुस्लिम समुदाय द्वारा ही मिटाकर उस पर अवैध किस्म से मदरसा मिराजुल उलूम दिल्ली दरवाज़ा चलाया जा रहा, जिसका ना तो निजी भूमि भवन है और ना ही कोई मानक और ना ही उसमें कोई बच्चे हैं। परंतु अल्पसंख्यक विभाग की मिली भगत से उक्त मदरसे का संचालन हो रहा है। वर्तमान में तमाम अधिकारियों की जांच से यह स्पष्ट हो गया कि उस मदरसे के पास कोई भी निजी भूमि भवन नहीं है और ना ही उसमें कोई बच्चे हैं और ना ही कोई मानक। अब देखना यह है कि अल्पसंख्यक कल्याण विभाग के अधिकारियों द्वारा या उच्च अधिकारियों द्वारा क्या कार्रवाई की जाती है।
Please subscribe Sufi News Channel English.